The most powerful home mask for dark circles under the eyes. This mask is completely natural, and you can easily make it at home. Let's go to get rid of the dark circle under the eyes. A spoonful of milk. Milk contains vitamin A, which is great for rejuvenating and strengthening the skin. A spoonful of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has many antioxidants and prevents many skin diseases. Add a little less than a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix with a fork to prepare the mask. This mask is a kind of multivitamin for the skin that you can easily make at home. When the mask becomes jelly, it is ready to use. Making and using this mask is very easy and convenient, but there are some important points that I will tell you in the video. I suggest using cotton to use the mask, but it can be done with your fingers and it is not a problem. To make it easier to use the mask, you can close your eyes and use the mask calmly. Please take care of your beautiful eyes. You can help us a lot with a simple click, so please like the video. Thanks for your help. I promise to make up for it with my best training. Wait 10 minutes and then wash your face with cold water. Let's see how it feels after use. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. You can even see the results for the first time using a mask. Both the dark under my eyes and my skin are softer and I really enjoy touching my skin. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.